Why are you afraid? Let's go to Isaiah chapter 9 and verse 6. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Are you still anxious? Are you still fearful? What is it that you're worrying about? Remember that God is in your situation. He's around it as well. You are not alone. You might feel alone right now, but get up, child of God. Get up and remember who you are. You're not ordinary. You are a kingdom citizen. God bless you. Smile now and have a great day.